to you. It's time to hit the bricks. I've got a golf game. That does it. Hey, get out here. We need to talk. Get out of there now. Jail? Bye-bye. I'm off to play on the Pro Tour. A genie. Woo-wee! Hey, what's the big idea? Get lost. It's all about you, isn't it? Your wish is my command. Oh boy, my favorite day of the year. Sometimes if you want to beat 'em, you gotta join 'em. That woman's like a bad rash. She just keeps coming back. Ghost! On second thought, maybe we ought to go somewhere else. Wait! You can't leave me down here alone! Winnie! Whoopee! Let's go! Dial prank phone. It's the next best thing to eating there. Well, I wonder what's on the old agenda for today. I think I'll play golf today. Or... well, I'm not a woodpecker for nothing. Gee, what happened, Wally? I heard a big crash. Lucky the tree didn't fall on you. It's not that big a deal, right? Well, we'll just see about that, Buster. For old time's sake, please? I never thought it would come to this. Suddenly, I feel so cold and alone. Well, goodbye, pal. I can't take it anymore. Wally, what's the matter? Hey, Wally, what's the matter? Wally? Hey, I'm walking here. Hey, I'm naked in here. Help! Ow! 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 This ought to do the trick. Uh-oh. Yow!